Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel Forever. Today we will see in Tableau how to swap the sheets in the dashboard. I have done it already. I'm showing here. So when you choose UT, it will tell the population by the union territories. If you choose state, in the same dashboard, the sheet will be swapped by the sheet we created for a state. So let's see how we can do this in Tableau. So before I start, I have taken the data from Wikipedia. You can see the census 2011 data I have already copied into Excel. Let me show you that data source. I'm just opening the Excel file, okay, which was already open. So can you see I have just taken the sample data set. I just named it as a name and the numbers as a population, and I have divided with the state and UT. I have that as one more column. So let's open the Tableau. I use Tableau Public, the latest version. Uh, Let it open. It's opening. I just use the same data source and I'll create everything new. Okay, you can see which is already here, but I'll not open this. I'll connect to the Microsoft Excel as a data source. So you can see which is already there. I will just take it out. It's connecting. You can see the same data is being captured here. So I will just close the source. So come to sheet 1. So just refer this, right? So what I have taken names and this as a bar graph. So have that has name here. You can see the all names including union territories, like it gives all the values. And to get the population, what I do, get the major names here and major values into text. You will get both, right? So number of records or the count, sorry, the count. So let's take out the count, and we are interested only in population. So like sorting, you can sort, it's by default sorted alphabetically because we took name first. So let's can just sort in a descending order. Like we know, right, UP has a more population. So let's create two sets based on the state and union territories. So this is the field we are using, create set. So create set, okay, state and union territory. So delete this and say set one as state, take only state. Okay, if you put that here, you will see only the state here. You will not see the union territories. Let's put this sheet name as state and duplicate this sheet. Put this as a UT. Okay, let's duplicate the existing set. Okay, and name it as UT for union territory. It will be set 2. So just replace this with the first set and make sure you make it as UT inside the set. Now you see this union territory and state. We need to make it as the bar graph. And again, you can sort it here in a descending order. Come here and do the same thing and sort it as a descending order. And we need color as well for each state or union territory. So press control and drag the name into color. You see different colors here. Come back to state and do the same thing. Again, you got the colors. Let's create a parameter which is very important to swap. Create a parameter and you can say parameter swapping. or else you can name it as state or UT. It will be a string parameter, and you see a list. So click write as a state and UT. Click and you see that here. Come to state and just click on show parameter. You will see that here state or UT. That how to link that to here. So create a calculated field. Say match state or UT. So just simply say you just bring the state or union here equal to this parameter. Whatever you select, that will be, that has to be matched with the value with state or UT inside this, and it will be turned out as a true or false value. That's the output, and just select true. So here is the state. Come back here and select here as a true. Again here it's a false. Come here and type as a true. Apply. So it will disappear now, because if you select as a UT, it will appear. Come back here. Now it is disappeared. If you select as a state, it will appear. And come, now we will create dashboard. So let's say sheet swapping, and you show the header. You can show the header here, and you can use horizontal or vertical objects, right? You know, this is to create a layouts. Put state and put this sheet inside this. Just take out this legends. Now hide the titles. That's very important. If you don't hide, the other sheet will not disappear completely. So, and let's have the title, the dashboard title, along with this filter. So have this dashboard title inside this layout, and take this also inside this, and just adjust it to get a proper view. So here it is. So if you select UT, you will see UT. If you select state, you will see the state. So just make it entire width for a better view. Same for union territory. So let me show you in this mode, presentation mode, like C state and UT. I hope you followed the step-by-step creation of a calculated field parameter and putting them to in a layout. If you like this video, like this video and share with your friends, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.